Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to craft charcoal in Hytale, and for this you'll actually need a campfire. Now to craft a campfire you'll need some rubble. You can get any rubble, you can just go ahead and hit on these stones, and you need some sticks. You can come here to these trees and hit on these tree trunks to get some sticks. Once you get your sticks, I want you to just press tab on your keyboard and this will open up the pocket crafting menu. Just come here, click on campfire. You only need 4 sticks and 2 rubbles, and then click here on craft. Once you have crafted your campfire, come here, press F to open up the campfire, and then after that I want you to turn on the campfire, and you just come here, click on turn on, but for that you actually need fuel. You can go ahead and use sticks as fuel. Just come here, click on turn on, and once this goes ahead and burns down, it will give you charcoal. As you can see, it is increasing charcoal right here. I can go ahead and pick it up and put it in my inventory. So as you can see, this one just became 3 charcoals, and there you go. That is how to craft charcoal in Hytale. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. It helps me out as well.